Yeah, I'm Tony Hanser, your Northwest Indiana, Illinois real estate agent. Today we are here in downtown Whiting during Pierogi Fest. So Pierogi Fest is an annual festival in late July. It's a Polish-inspired or ethnic festival that has all kinds of pierogis and food and stuff like that. This festival goes on for quite a while. There's like 5 different band stations I saw counting today, and all kinds of food and fun stuff to do. It's like a little carnival also. So check out everything Whiting has to offer with their Pierogi Fest. Right, so we're walking into downtown Whiting along a Pierogi Fest here. I believe it's a Blues Brothers band that's going to be playing, and they have a number of stages for this Pierogi Fest. So there's like 3 stages going on. That's going to be the first one. And now we're just going to walk down the strip and see downtown Whiting. All right, so we got Rebecca's Full Service Salon there. Hey, 2 quick things I learned already being a first timer at Pierogi Fest. One is parking. Don't expect to park close. I drove around for a while and there's just bumper to bumper street parking everywhere. So there's a handful of public parking places. So just plan to park at one of those and take like a 4-block walk. That's what I'm doing right now. Walking about 4 blocks to get to 119th Street. And then also temperature. We're right along the lakefront, and you know, I live in St. John, Indiana. It's a little bit further south, and it's probably 10 degrees warmer at my house than it is here. So I threw a sweater on and we're good to go. All right, quick item of note, this helicopter's been flying around the entire time I've been here, a couple hours now. I don't know if it's just for community watch or if you can take rides or something. It's been kind of fun just to see this guy zipping around. Got sound check guys doing their thing behind me. It's like Vision 1 optometry. Benchik Medical Health Center. Memory Makers Picture Company. All right, we can see here there's a pretty significant beer garden going on here. Hey, if you give me a quick favor, if you get any value out of this video, if you could hit that like and name it that subscribe button, that would really help out the channel. YouTube sees all the subscribes as people that are interested in this video, and then they push it out to others. All right, we got some fans there. So if you could hit the subscribe button, it really helps out the channel, and thank you. H&R Block. You see there that the Elks Club has a Polish dinner going on. Pierogi Fest is a Polish event, so it makes sense. Community healthcare system. Dos Sabados. I'm gonna butcher my Spanish there. Paradise Liquors. Alright, so for Pierogi Fest, apparently this whole area is alcohol okay. The biggest beer garden I've seen. We got the Junkyard, t-shirts with screen prints. Restaurant here, the Taco Dive. That sounds pretty good right now. All right, from a Pierogi Fest standpoint, this is kind of fun. You see Dan's Pierogis. See the huge line forming there for pierogis.
Well, yeah, I'm useless right now for that part.
Snowy snow cone guy there. The licorice guy. All right, what other going on here? We got Happy Pierogi Fest. We got Lakefront Nutrition. Dental care. cool store there. Mind vendors, puzzles, toys, and games. Got Anna's Beauty Salon back there a little bit. All right, that we see that helicopter again right there. Just cruising around all day. All right, it's got neat to see. We got some Polish baked goods here. Lots of stuff going on. All right, Lakeside Barber is right there. We're still doing haircuts during Pierogi Fest. All right, so during Pierogi Fest, here is another band venue.
Gotta be around here somewhere.
We got Cialto Lindo Cafe. Pretty neat looking place. There we have a resale shop. That's fun to see the hand-rolled pretzel people getting after it over there. Alright, looks like they're closed now. We got Hokkien ice cream. Again, my language is not pronouncing that correctly. We got the Whiting Robertsville Chamber of Commerce facility. Dollar Tree. Studio 659. Arts place of some sort. We got the Bulldog Brewing Company right there.
It's right here.
All right, this is a fun name because their name is Babushkas, of which, if my limited Polish is correct, it means grandma's Polish foods. It's a good name. Got Boost Mobile over there. Again, here is for Pierogi Fest. There's another band station over here. It's cool to see all the different events they have going on at the same time. The Big Wiener. They come around different Northwest Indiana festivals, and my kids always have a fun time saying their name. The Whiny Beach Cafe. A barber shop there. Oh, this is neat. This is like a mist station. So when it gets hot, you can hang out here and water's just misting around. You have the Whiting Flower Shop. Sunrise Family Restaurant. It's a bit pricey, but it's pretty good.
Nice to meet you, man.
All right, from a Pierogi Fest standpoint, heads off to them. They got band station number 4 over here. We got some people waving. Horizon Bank. All right, this is neat too from Pierogi Fest. You see Josiah's pierogis and a ginormous line for some pierogis. See this orange hat here coming up. We got some fun pierogi hats going on also. Oh yeah, and something I forgot about is they have a whole festival over here. So we've got games and rides and such. Richie's Corner Deli. Center Lounge and Restaurants. All right, and for Pierogi Fest, you see these are the games and stuff they bring in. Face painting station right there. Bounce house. And then there's a couple inflatable obstacle course type funhouse things. All right, I cut through a huge pierogi line here.
Yeah, and this line is like these lines.
All right, we see that pretzel place here. That's my daughter's like favorite thing is a soft pretzel. If she was here, that's what she would be eating. All right, the street's so full right now. It's like it's hard to barely even take a step. It's so busy. All right, we're approaching 119th Street and Central Avenue right here. We're at an intersection of babies and old people. It's not the smoothest transition. But we see here that there's additional rides for Pierogi Fest. And this is like band location number 5, so that's pretty wild. So let's check out the rides over here. Cut these people off. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, so over here we see that we got a carousel, and we've got a, what do we call that? Not merry-go-round. All right, caricatures. I always chuckle because my daughter is an artist, and whenever I want her to do a caricature, she always says she won't do it. It's like below her or something, but I like watching it done. We got Eastland Jewelry. All right, so now we're approaching the west limits of Pierogi Fest in downtown Whiting. I know I missed a number of existing stores here, so you can't see them due to all the tents and all that fun stuff. But yeah, so the west end is like right here. We'll walk a little further to see where it starts. All right, we can see here that the west limits are at Indianapolis Boulevard and on 119th Street, and then continues east. And this is a tour of downtown Whiting with Pierogi Fest going on.